Hello guys, welcome back on this video. I'm excited to share this amazing platform that will help you as a YouTuber to rank your video on the first page of Google. Yes, you heard me right, on the first page of Google and YouTube. Whether you are a beginner, you're an expert, or you have been having a YouTube channel for a day, a year, or a month, this platform, this software rank any keyword, any video on the first page of Google and YouTube. Right? Don't take my word for it. I'm just gonna leave you to watch this video as this guy shows you in real time how he does it within minutes, not an hour, not a day, not a month. But this platform is gonna enable you to rank your video within minutes, literally within minutes, on the first page of Google. Alright, let me leave you to it. Watch this video until the end, do not miss it, and I'm gonna leave the link to this amazing platform because every big YouTuber out there is using this platform. Alright, cool. Here it is.
Hey guys, I'm Vlad, and in this video I'm going to teach you how you can rank live events on the first page of Google and of YouTube. Now, why do I say live events? Well, it's simple. Live events from YouTube rank a lot better than videos, both on the first page of Google and of YouTube. The best part about this is that you don't actually need a video in order to rank. So you will be able to rank only with the image that you will be using for the live event. Now, at any point, if you want, you can stream the live event and transform it into a video. But in this case, we will simply try to rank live events. Now, in this case study, I'm going to rank for a cleaning service company from Oxford. Now, we know that Oxford is a student city with tons of students, and I'm sure they have tons of laundry to wash. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open the keywords module from Video Marketing Blaster and type in your main keyword. Now, I'm going to say cleaning services near me. Even if I only want to target the city Oxford, I'm going to enter the word near me because I want to find relevant keywords for cleaning services, and then I can simply replace near me or the keywords that I get with the city Oxford. So let's press research, and that's it. And now we have a lot of keyword suggestions. Now don't forget that the recommendation number is simply a recommended status. That doesn't mean you can't pick keywords that are more low in the recommendation number. So for now, let's see what keywords we got. So as you can see, low cost cleaning services. Now, I'm not going to go for seniors near me. I'm simply going to consider this as a keyword, low cost cleaning services. So I'm going to copy this and paste it in a notepad that I have open. All right, professional cleaning services. Sounds perfect also. So always go after long tail keywords. Don't try to rank for cleaning services. That's very hard to do. Go after long tail keywords like best house cleaning services, and we add Oxford at the end. All right. Let's see here. Cheap home cleaning services. Looks perfect. House cleaning services near me cost. So as you can see, we added the near me so we can replace it with the city that we want to target, in this case Oxford. So I'm going to copy this also. Looks perfect so far. Now I pick the list of keywords and I save them in a notepad right here. Now I'm going to add Oxford at the end of them. So Oxford. Now instead of near me, I'm going to say like this. Perfect. Alright, so these are the keywords that we want to target. Now, don't forget, no matter what local business you are targeting, go after long tail keywords. The bigger the better. And as you can see, even if they are long tail, like professional cleaning services or house cleaning, you still have people searching for these keywords. Even if you get 100 or 200 views per month, those are 200 potential clients. The same goes with affiliate promotions, right? If you are selling an affiliate product, even if you get 200, 300 visitors per month, those are quality visitors that you can easily convert into leads. This method of ranking live events will work in any niche. Alright, so now that we pick the keywords, we go to the video details generator. All that you have to do here is click generate details. In case you have the local business upgrade, you can select the local business category right here. But in this case, I will go with the general template and I'm going to type in my main keyword right here. So I'm going to enter the keywords and I'm going to enter multiple keywords by separating them using comma, alright? And this one, perfect. So these are the keywords that we are going to target. This means that the software will generate 5 video details, so 5 sets of titles, descriptions and tags. Now I'm going to select this one, looks better. I'm going to move to the next step, and right here we are going to need to enter secondary keywords that we want to target. As you can see, we have some keywords that are suggested. Now the main keyword, we keep it as it is, and for secondary keywords I'm going to go with low cost bin cleaner, Oxford. Now, I didn't simply click on the suggestions, although I can do that, because I wanted to include the word Oxford at the end. So, for example, house cleaning services, Oxford, right? So let's enter that also. Alright, let's move to the next step. Now, right here, you need to enter the website. Let's say myhousecleaner.com. You need to enter the YouTube channel, the Facebook, the Twitter, the Instagram. So these are the details for the local business. Now all that you have to do is hit generate. As you can see, we will obtain 5 sets of title, description and tags. Hit generate. And that's it. So with just a few clicks, Video Marketing Blaster generated 5 unique video details. Now for each of these items, we will publish a live event on YouTube. So let's do that right now. So what you need to do is open youtube.com and go to YouTube/live streaming. Alright? So youtube.com/live streaming, and it will redirect you to this page. Now what you need to do on this page is click on the 3 bars from the left in case you don't see this menu, and right here click on manage. Next you can see a list of all your existing streams, and in the top right part click on schedule stream. This will create a new stream. Right here you need to enter the stream title, description and fill in all the other details. So let's do that. I'm going to go back to Video Marketing Blaster and take each video detail one by one. So I'm going to go with low cost cleaning services Oxford. I'm going to click on the title and click copy to clipboard. Now I'm going to paste it right here. Next I'm going to copy the description, copy to clipboard. And next I'm going to paste it right here. Next you need to select the custom thumbnail. Alright, perfect. Select if it's made or not made for kids. You won't need to enter anything for schedule, and you just hit create stream. Alright, perfect. The live event is now created. Now let's create another live event. So again, go to manage from the left part. If you don't see it, click on the menu right here. And now click on schedule stream. And create another live event for the second video details. So I'm going to copy this, paste it here, copy the description, paste the description here. Again, we set the thumbnail and we can use the same thumbnail for each live event. So that's the beauty of this. You don't need to create new thumbnails, you don't need to create new videos, you simply rank. Okay, so I'm going to go with cleaning services. The thumbnail is added and create stream. Perfect, the new live event is created, and I'm going to repeat this process for all the video details that I generated. Okay, so I finished creating all the live events, all the 5 live events for each of my keywords. Now I'm going to go to manage, and right here you will see all the events that are created. Now whenever you want, you can delete events. For example, if in 1 week you won't see any rankings, you can simply remove the events that do not rank. Now let's check the results that we got. So I'm going to open a private tab, and I recommend to always test this in a private tab. So click on new private window, go on google.com/ncr. Now I recommend to add /ncr because this will force the default Google page. Alright, and let's type in our main keyword and let's see the results that we got. Okay, here it is, guys, unbelievable. So uploaded 14 minutes ago, 12 minutes ago. These are our videos and they are ranking on the first page of Google for low cost cleaning services in Oxford. So here they are. Now if we click on a live event, let's open it. So this is it, right? Our cleaning services live event with our description and title is ranking on the first page of Google. Amazing. Right under the three pack, we just ranked these live events. So although we typed in low cost cleaning services, still we ranked with all the three videos. Now let's see if we got other rankings for the other keywords. So I'm going to copy professional cleaning services, paste it right here. All right, let's see. So we're not ranking with this keyword because again, not all the keywords will rank. That's why I recommend to generate 4 or 5 sets of title, description and tags targeting various keywords. Let's try it with our third keyword. So I'm going to copy this keyword, best house cleaning services in Oxford, and search for it. All right, let's move to the second page and here it is. So it's not ranking on the first page, but still we are ranking on the second page, the second position. So this is still an unbelievable result in 14 minutes. So less than 14 minutes ago, we published this live event and it's ranking right here on the second page. So let's search with the other keyword. Again, this one is also ranking on the second page of Google. And for the last keyword, so house cleaning services Oxford, cost. All right, here it is. So we're ranking. So out of 5 live events, we have 2 live events ranking on the first page and 2 live events ranking on the second page. So as you can see, we got great results by using Video Marketing Blaster. Now don't forget that you can apply this in any niche. This is going to work as long as you do the correct keyword research. Now at this point, now that we noticed that we have live events ranking, we can take the best live event, and in this case it's low cost cleaning services in Oxford, and copy the title, the description, the tags, and paste it on our video, or simply upload the new video with the same title, description, and tags, and you will be able to rank both with the live event and with the YouTube video. Now let's see if we got YouTube rankings. So I'm going to go on youtube.com. Again, I am in a private tab where I am not logged in, and let's paste in our first keyword, and here it is. So I pasted in low cost cleaning services Oxford, and we are ranking with all 5 live events on the first page. Right under our live events, we have...
Alright guys, I'll leave it here. There you have it. I mean, this guy just showed us how you can rank, I mean, easily within minutes, under 20 minutes you can rank on Google and YouTube's first pages. Now I'm gonna leave the link to this software on this video. So they have an amazing offer with a coupon of special 70. They are giving $70 off. So this platform is only $27. Amazing thing about this platform, like I said, a lot of big YouTubers out there, they are using these platforms. If you haven't heard it, you know, you're gonna hear it, because I've seen a lot of these big YouTubers, they mention it. Because you know what's so good about it, other platforms that, you know, will recommend keywords for you, you have to pay monthly. With this platform, a good thing about it is that it is a one-time payment, no monthly fee. You pay that $27 once off, and you get to enjoy ranking your videos every day or whenever you upload a video. That's it guys. If you like this video, let me know in the comment section. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, because I'm gonna be uploading a lot of more valuable information. Alright, I'll see you on the next video. Ciao.